I tried to impress my boyfriend by cooking a fancy dinner, but things didn't go as planned. I left the pan for 2 minutes and it turned into a smoke bomb, setting off the fire alarm. I panicked and tried to fan the alarm with a towel, making the smoke worse. My neighbors poked their heads out to see if I was burning the place down. My boyfriend was trying not to laugh while I ran around like a maniac. We ended up ordering takeout and eating on the floor by the open window. He thought it was hilarious and teased me about being a better comedian than chef. Maybe it wasn't a total disaster, but my chances of pulling off fancy vibes are dead.